So for skill 11, we had to apply vectors to situations involving force. And basically the problem was to determine a reasonable weight for the car and a distance traveled. So essentially we got to choose A and theta, and A was the work done, and I chose it to be 80,000 feet-pounds, and then theta was 40 degrees, which is the angle for the hill. Now the equation is A equals F times D, which is displacement, times the cosine of theta. So first, like when you draw your picture, because you have to first determine like what angle you're gonna use. So the 40 degrees that you chose is like the angle for the hill. However, you need this angle over here for the problem. So you just do 180 minus 90 minus 40, and that gives you 50 degrees. And this is just called like the triangle sum rule. So it'd be the cosine of 50 degrees, and then you substitute in 80,000 for A. And so what I essentially did is that I looked up the average weight of a Lamborghini. You could choose the average weight of a car, doesn't really matter. And I made that my force in pounds. And so then all I had to do was solve for the displacement, which is D, and I did that by isolating the variable by first multiplying 3,472 times the cosine of 50, and then dividing 80,000 by that number, and I got the displacement to be 35.85 feet, and this is known as like the distance traveled. And so that's how I did the problem. Ta-da!